Alright guys, so for this drill I'm going to lie my back, get my legs apart, make sure my back is flat against the ground, hands on the inside of my legs here. I'm going to take a deep breath in, exhale, and squeeze together while resisting with my hand. The more tension we can create, the better. Got the block between my knees. I'm going to turn 1 foot back and 1 foot forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. That's going to bias one side. I'm going to turn to the other side. Turn back to this side. And I just keep alternating. Here, I kind of bring my feet apart a little bit, so my knees are kind of pointing together inward. I'm going to get as long as I can in my stance. Tuck my ribs so my abs are on. And just breathe.